This is Durgod Fusion. It features a classic design, incredible detail, and gives extreme performance with cherry switches. It comes in 3 variants: Original, Navigation, and Steam. Your best work and words are brought to life via your keyboard, which is why we've created Durgod Fusion. Slide the hidden compartment open to reveal a wireless dongle and use it as a wireless keyboard on any Mac or PC. We designed different styles, all inspired by legendary industrial design aesthetics of the 80s. Fusion keyboards are great for both working and gaming. Use the wired mode when you're at your desk, or go wireless with 40-day battery life. Fusion is made with developers in mind, giving you an easy way to switch between devices, so you can go from writing code to debugging with the press of a button. The different connection modes allow you to pick up where you left off, even when you take Fusion with you. Because Durgod keyboards are extremely reliable, you can be completely in the zone with your game and not worry about missing a single keystroke. We've had so much fun recreating the magic of old school electronics in a keyboard that also has the latest technology. From extremely satisfying clicks to different looks that will each take you back to a different era in computing, we're sure you'll love Durgod Fusion, and we want to thank you for backing our Kickstarter.